Are you seeing a frustrating message when you open your YouTube app that says, "This version of YouTube is out of date and no updates are available for your device"? Don't worry, in this video, I'll explain exactly why this happens and show you the easiest way to fix it permanently. Stay with me till the end to find out how to keep watching your favorite videos without any more trouble. If you're getting the message saying, "This version of YouTube is out of date," it means your Android phone's operating system no longer supports the YouTube app. Here's how you can confirm it. Open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and tap on the app. Scroll down to the About This App section and check the required OS details. You'll see that YouTube now only supports Android 8.0 and up. If your device runs on a version older than Android 8.0, the app won't work properly anymore. To check your phone's Android version, go to Settings, tap About Phone, then Software Information, and look for Android version. Now, if your phone has an older Android version, here's what you can try. Head back to Settings, go to Apps, search for YouTube, and open it. Tap on Storage, then select Clear Data. This can temporarily fix the error and let you open YouTube again through the app. But remember, this is just a temporary solution. Since your device isn't fully supported anymore, the best and most reliable fix is to open YouTube in your browser. Simply launch Chrome, or any browser you use, visit youtube.com, and enjoy all your videos without issues. Have you checked your Android version yet? Let me know in the comments what version you're using. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.